everyone. So creating a WeChat account typically requires scanning a QR code for verification. However, some methods allow you to create an account without this step. Follow these alternatives method to create a WeChat account without scanning a QR code. Method number 1 is to sign up with a friend's help. So install WeChat application from the Google Play Store or Apple Store, and then open WeChat and choose sign up with mobile. Provide your phone number and agree to the terms and service. WeChat will send an SMS code to your phone for verification. Just enter it. And WeChat may ask you to have an existing WeChat user to verify your account. Instead of scanning QR code, just do that. This person must have or had their account for over 6 months and must not have helped anyone verify recently. Ask them to help you verify. Method number 2 is to try account registration through email. On the sign up page, tap more options or other ways to sign up. Select the option to sign up using your email address, and then you may still need SMS verification for this process. And lastly is to use WeChat Web for verification. To do that, go to WeChat Web and click on the sign up button. Complete the registration process using your email or phone number. Follow any alternative verification steps that WeChat might offer in place of QR code scanning. These methods are not always available, as WeChat frequently updates its security policies to prevent spam and fraudulent accounts. However, using an existing WeChat user's help to verify your account remains the most reliable method without QR code scanning. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!